Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down and choose Sounds and Vibration. Now you need to click on Vibrate section next to Sound, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on Sound next to it and tap on this sweater next to Vibrate while running. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on this call vibration section below and tap on one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls to set up the best one for you, like heartbeat, or disable it completely by choosing silent. You can do exactly the same for your notifications by choosing notification vibration. Then click on system vibration and adjust intensity of it by swiping left or right. Now you can also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch on or off vibrations for them. Now when you're ready, click on the back button and tap on vibration intensity to adjust it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!